fog lights versus driving lights, what you need to know. Um, Fog lights and driving lights serve different purposes. Knowing the differences is essential to ensure safety and optimal performance. Many people confuse them, but the variances matter. So let's dig into what each light type does. Fog lights are designed for use in low visibility conditions. These conditions include fog, rain, and snow. They provide a wide bar-shaped beam of light focused on the road ahead. This minimizes glare and maximizes visibility. Driving lights are engineered to supplement high beams. They are for long-range illumination on open roads. These lights project a more concentrated beam to extend the driver's range of sight. Improve reaction time at high speeds. A common pain point is ineffective visibility when facing adverse weather. Some assume regular headlights suffice. However, they often cause glare and fog, reducing visibility further. Understanding light types resolves these issues. Using fog lights results in a more controlled light spread. It illuminates road edges without reflecting off fog. This helps drivers see better when regular lights fail. Use fog lights as designed for maximum benefit. Driving lights, on the other hand, enhance high beam headlights. These are essential on dark, secluded roads. The focused long-range beams ensure safety by enhancing visibility in areas with no street lighting. Step-by-step, proper light usage begins with installation. Install fog lights low on the vehicle for better road illumination. Position driving lights higher for extended beam range. Correct positioning ensures effective performance of each type. Before installation, check local regulations. Some areas restrict certain types of auxiliary lights. Follow guidelines to avoid fines and penalties. Ensuring compliance is as important as functionality. Pro tip, regularly clean both fog and driving lights. Dirty lenses reduce light effectiveness. Remove debris and haze from lenses to maintain optimal light output. Cleaning enhances safety and light function. The impact of using the correct lights is undeniable. Statistics show drivers using proper fog lights have reduced accident rates in foggy conditions. Effective light use directly contributes to safety. Numbers speak for themselves. Proper light choice is not just about compliance, and it's also about safety and comfort. Proper lighting reduces strain and fatigue. Drivers feel more confident and secure on the road, making driving a better experience. In terms of cost, investing in both fog and driving lights is worthwhile. Accidents resulting from poor visibility are expensive. Preventive investment in quality lights saves both money and lives. Consider energy efficiency when choosing lights. Modern LED fog lights save energy and last longer compared to traditional bulbs. They're a great investment for both fuel efficiency and road safety. If you struggle with installation, seek professional help. Expert installation guarantees safety and compliance. Professionals can adjust and align lights correctly eliminating worry and reducing risk. In Portland, like many other places, fog and rain are common. Effective fog lights become even more essential. They help maintain clear vision and safety despite challenging weather conditions. Ultimately, the choice is understand and use each type of light properly. Safe driving depends on visibility. Equip your vehicle with the right lights and maintain them well for the best driving experience possible.